video on a buddy burner. The buddy burner, you use it in a can, like a chicken can or a tuna can, cat food can, dog food, whatever about this size. Alright, you fill it with cardboard, where you can see here a little bit better. You make sure it's packed tight in there, and then you fill it with wax. Your cardboard acts as a wick, your wax is the fuel source, and as long as you keep wax filled up in there, you should not burn out of your wick, which is the cardboard. You will burn some of it, but it should not go away. Basically, it won't burn up. I have wax that is already melted right now. I'm going to finish filling up this in a minute when I'm done here. But basically, it's a little tiny stove, and it works pretty good. So I can't fill it with wax on here, otherwise I will probably spill, which is why I have this. So I'm going to turn the video off, fill it up, and this one will be done. Thank you for watching.